Today we're taking grilled cheese to the next level. Slow cooker apple cider pulled pork grilled cheese. Grab your slow cooker, a nice meaty pork shoulder. This one's about 2 pounds. We'll season with the apple cider and barbecue pork seasoning. For your slaw, we'll need apples, a coleslaw packet, mayonnaise, yogurt, and salt. For the sandwich, we're using a bread like brioche or sourdough, butter, and of course cheddar cheese. First things first, let's get our pork shoulder nice and seasoned. And we're going to take this to the slow cooker. Take your 1.5 cups of apple cider vinegar to add some acidity. We're gonna let this one roll for 4 hours on high or 8 hours on low if you've got the time. Time to pull this pork. Transfer the pork shoulder to a bowl, grab 2 forks, and begin to rip it in opposite directions. Take about half your liquid and toss it in. I halved, cored, and thinly sliced the apples, and now I'm going to toss them with the remaining ingredients. Lay out your bread and cover one side of each slice with butter. This will help get it nice and golden brown. Flip half of the slices butter side down on your work surface and assemble. Cheese first, then do even portions of pulled pork in your slaw. Finish it out with your remaining slices of bread, and let's get these to the griddle. We're on medium-low heat. Cook these in batches, about 4 minutes per side. We're shooting for crispy and golden. Our sandwiches are just about done. A 3-minute trip to the oven will finish melting the cheese and bring it all together. The only thing it's missing, if you want to add, is a little bit of heat. Grab sriracha or your favorite hot sauce. Let it go. Bring these to the next game, and your friends will be begging for more. See you next time on Fresh Dish Foodie.